What if tonight you looked up and the moon was solid gold? That's 7.35 times 10 to the 22nd kilograms of solid gold, enough to buy the entire planet, several times. But gold is nearly 20 times denser than the moon's actual material, which means the moon now weighs 6 times more. Earth's gravity can't hold that. The moon would start spiraling toward us. The tides? Now they rise over 100 meters, twice a day. Earth's rotation begins to slow, dragged by that new golden gravitational anchor. Days grow longer, the moon tugs, tectonic plates creak, volcanoes awaken. But the moon is falling, slower than a rock, faster than comfort. Within days, Earth's orbit destabilizes. Everything shifts. As the golden moon spirals closer, its gravity rips into Earth's atmosphere. Air flows toward the moon. Jet streams break. The weather system collapses. The golden moon's magnetic signature interferes with Earth's core. Our magnetic field begins to fail. With no stable days or nights, temperatures swing wildly. Humanity begins to hide. Underground cities, permanent dusk. With mass that large, the golden moon begins to collapse into itself. The moon wouldn't go supernova, but it might collapse into a golden neutron star fragment. The pressure vaporizes gold into plasma. Space becomes glittering, but Earth wouldn't survive the debris. Golden meteors rain down at escape velocity. Gold, once a symbol of wealth, now just radioactive rubble. Cities became craters, but underground, humans survived. The global economy? Gold was worthless. What mattered now was potatoes. A golden rain still fell. Radioactive snowflakes from orbit. Centuries passed. Gold was no longer a treasure, it was a warning. All that gold, and no one left to spend it. Centuries later, humanity rebuilt, but this time, underground. History classes got weird. Scientists still argue how it even happened. Above them, the sky remains dark. The moon never returned. But deep underground, we remembered, and we measure, just in case. In time, we built something new. This time, not for beauty, but for balance. And we redefined wealth, not by what you mine, but by what you understand. All because one day someone asked, what if the moon was made of gold? It wasn't, but imagining it changed everything. What if tomorrow morning Yellowstone erupted? Yellowstone is not just a park, it's a supervolcano. It has erupted before. 2.1 million years ago, it covered half the US in ash. Today, over 8 million people live within 500 miles of Yellowstone. Within minutes, planes are grounded. GPS? Gone. Volcanic ash isn't soft. It's like tiny shards of glass. It clogs engines, collapses roofs, destroys crops. Most of the US Midwest would be buried under 1 meter of ash. But the real danger comes after. A volcanic winter. Temperatures drop by 10 degrees Celsius. Volcanic ash would begin falling thousands of kilometers away and stay there for weeks. Flights? Grounded. Air travel is impossible. The ash melts jet engines. Crops begin to fail. Photosynthesis slows. Supermarkets run out of food. Sunlight drops. Temperatures fall. Welcome to the volcanic winter. Within weeks, global agriculture would crash. Ash blocks sunlight. Crops stop growing. With food supplies collapsing, countries turn inward. Exports vanish. Supermarkets go empty. Starvation begins in poorer regions first, then it spreads, fast. Tens of millions begin to migrate, north, south, anywhere. Some governments remain calm, others collapse. With global sunlight down, solar power collapses. Satellite signals weaken. Eventually, the internet dies. Coal, oil, nuclear, still running, but supply lines break. Nations seal their borders. International travel ends. In the chaos, people form local survival groups: farming, water, fire. In the ruins of global supply chains, barter returns, but not for gold. For seeds, water, batteries. Urban centers become dangerous. People move to smaller, defensible communities. Inequality doesn't disappear, it amplifies. Books, radios, tools, they become more valuable than cryptocurrency. In a few years, children won't ask, "What's Wi-Fi?" They'll ask, "What was Yellowstone?" Years pass, the skies begin to clear, slowly. Nature adapts. New plants, new ecosystems, new climate. People build again. Not the same, but better maybe. Yellowstone destroyed the world we knew, but it gave us something too. Perspective.